Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. So, I'm Arjun M. Digol from BSFT 1A. So, today I will discuss our previous topic about mole and mass. Moles and mass. Our objectives is number one, to understand the meaning of mole and molar mass. Number two, to learn how to convert between grams and moles. Number three, to explain the importance of mole and molar mass in chemical calculations. So our number four, to apply the concept of mole and molar mass in solving simple chemistry problems. And this is the example picture. We have one pair but two pieces. We have shoes, sock, and earrings. And also we have one dozen eggs and donuts, 12 pieces in a box. And then, what is mole? Mole is a fundamental, it's a unit used to measure the amount of substance. In Latin, mole means a massive heap of material. And a mole is a unit that represents 6022 times 10 raised of the power 23 particles. And also, this number is known as Avogadro's constant. And how much is in a mole? We have carbon and Na, which Na is sodium. 1 mole of carbon with 12.01 grams, 12.01 grams of carbon contains 60.22 times 10 raised of the power of 23 carbon atoms. And our sodium, 1 mole of sodium weighs 22.99 grams, so 22.99 grams of sodium contains of 6.022 times 10 raised of the power of 23 sodium atoms. And calculating moles and number of atoms. So we have example, aluminum, a metal with high strength to width ratio and a high resistance to corrosion, is often used for structures such as high quality bicycle frames. So in a 10.0 gram of aluminum, compute the following. So we have two, A and B. Sa A, number of moles, a B, number of atoms. So sample A, 1 mole of aluminum weight, we have 26.98 grams. So 26.98 grams of aluminum contains 6.022 times 10 raised of the power of 23 aluminum atoms. So we have 1 mole aluminum. So 26.28 grams aluminum. So yung 10.0 grams times sa taas 1 mole aluminum and sa baba, so ilagay natin yung 26.98 grams aluminum. So yung total niya is 0.371 mole of aluminum. And then, our number 2 is we have 0. Yung Avogadro's constant, which is 0.22 times 10 raised of the power of 23 aluminum atoms, which is 1 mole of aluminum atoms. So, 0.371 mole times Avogadro's constant number aluminum atoms. So, yung sa baba is 1 mole atoms. So, yung total amount is 2.23 times 10 raised of the power of 23 all atoms. Molar mass. The molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of substances measured in grams per mole. It is numerically equal to the substance's relative atomic or molecular mass. For instance, carbon has a relative atomic mass of 12, So its molar mass is 12 grams or moles. So we have example here. Calculate the molar mass of carbon monoxide. So we have carbon and oxygen. So yung atomic mass of carbon is 12.01 grams per mole. So i-plus lang natin siya sa atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16.00 grams and mole. So inad lang natin siya, so naging 28.01 grams and mole siya. And we have calculating number of moles. To find the number of moles, which is n, in a given mass m of a substance, use the formula. So yung nakikita nyo dyan, yung n, yan yung moles. At saka yung m sa taas, siya yung substance na yung ginagamit natin sa formula to calculate. So yung sa side niya, yan yung example niya sa ginamit nating formula. And then, next, we have mole relationship. We have atoms or molecules, liters, and grams. Yung sa atoms is, ginagamit niya number is Avogadro's constant. And then, yung sa liters naman is 22.4 liters. And then, the reason the mole is so important is because we use the mole as the unit, the most of relationship in chemistry. Reaction are balanced based on number of moles of each element in a reaction. Solution concentrations are very often described in terms of moles per liter of mole per kilogram of solvent, and we have already reported as moles of the substance rather than the individual count of their particles. And the conclusion is learning about moles and molar mass is important in chemistry because they help us count and measure substances easily. So that's all, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.